Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I am gonna talk about what is Bitcoin mining and how does Bitcoin mining work. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button. So in 2021, Tesla stopped taking Bitcoin for electric vehicle purchase. Why? The answer is concern for the environmental tool of creating new units of the world's best known cryptocurrency in a process called mining. The computers that mined new bitcoins use a tremendous amount of electricity, often generated by fossil fuels. The real world cost of electricity is one of the factors that give real world value of digital currency, which is currently trending at around 23,600 US dollar. Regardless of the source of electricity, and the cryptocurrency mining industry is moving toward renewable energy sources. Mining is central to Bitcoin's existence as a decentralized currency. Whether you are considering buying Bitcoin outright, mining it yourself, or investing in the companies that mine it or make money equipment, you will first want to understand what Bitcoin mining is in the first place. So, what is Bitcoin mining? The answer is Bitcoin mining refers to the process where a global network of computers running the Bitcoin could work to ensure that transactions are legitimate and added correctly to the cryptocurrency's blockchain. Mining is also known how new Bitcoin is entered in calculation. Bitcoin mining is what makes the Bitcoin network secure, says Stefan Ristic, owner of the educational website bitcoinminingsoftware.com. High-powered computers compete to be the first to validate a series of transactions called a block and add the block to the blockchain. Miners are paid transaction fees and 6.25 BTC per block for the efforts. That's around 1,47,000 US dollar at today's prices. The minimum or transaction processing is accomplished by incredibly expensive and powerful computers whose sole function is to run algorithm to solve the mathematical problem that allows their owner to win a Bitcoin block and the revenue that comes with it, says Richard Becker, CEO of miner and blockchain service provider TAAL, Distributed Information Technologies. The next question is, how does Bitcoin mining work? And the answer is verifying Bitcoin transactions and recording them on the blockchain involves solving complex algorithms. This is all part of Bitcoin's proof of work consensus mechanism, which aim to add a new block every 10 minutes. The more computing power a miner has, the more likely it is to win blocks. They have a chance to earn Bitcoin every 10 minutes based on how much computing power they use, says Bruce Pension, CEO of fintech company Chainstone Labs. They have the latest Bitcoin mining mechanism use application specific integrated circuits ASICs, especially programmed for Bitcoin mining to deal with all the computing power needed. Explained Patricia Trumpeter, CEO of cryptocurrency miner Sphere 3D Curve Dot. The current generation of this dedicated Bitcoin mining is generated possible answers to the Bitcoin block equation at around 100 trillion hashes per second, says Rob Chang, CEO of Krypton Digital Mining, a privately held Bitcoin miner. A Bitcoin hash is a mining measurement of the amount of computing power used on the network to process transactions. So the another question is how to mine Bitcoin. The answer is since Bitcoin was released in 2019, the energy required to produce the cryptocurrency has increased as the network raises the mining difficulty to keep the flow of new blocks of transactions steady every as more miners get involved. Bitcoin mining is usually a large scale commercial affair done by companies using data centers with purpose built servers. Mining farms can have many mining computers held in warehouses. The input that determines whether such activities are profitable is the cost of electricity to power the mining computers, says David Weisberger, CEO of trading platform CoinRoutines. Because of this, farms are often located near energy sources like dams, oil and gas wells, solar farm or geothermal sources. The more network participants, the higher the difficulty gets, says Jagdeep Sidhu, president of Sescoin Foundation, which represents the open source blockchain project Synson. So that's all for today. Please like, comment and share this video and never forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button.